If you are logged out of your own PC, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you a 100% legal way to reset your forgotten Windows 11 password using just command prompt. No software needed. Stick around and I'll guide you step by step. But remember, only use this on your own computer. Let's dive in. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and restart your computer. Wait until you see the automatic repair. Now open command prompt in Windows Recovery. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and from there, command prompt. Now let's replace the accessibility button on the login screen with command prompt. Type move drive C Windows System 32 Utility Manager drive C Windows System 32 Utility Manager. This command safely backs up the original file in case you need to restore it. Now let's replace the Utility Manager with command prompt. Type copy C drive Windows System 32 CMD EXE drive C Windows System 32 Utility Manager EXE. Reply yes to the prompt to confirm the decision. This command makes the system launch command prompt when the accessibility button is clicked. Now let's restart the PC by typing WPEUTIL reboot. This forces a restart, which only works in the Windows Recovery mode. After replacement and on the login screen, click the accessibility icon, which is at the bottom right. Instead of opening magnifier or narrator, it now opens command prompt. Now let's safely reset your password. Type netuser to find your username in the list. After identifying your username, type netuser and replace your username in new password with your details. Now let's simply log in with the new password. Exit the command prompt and type in your newly created password. After logging in, we would have to restore the Utility Manager. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Within the command prompt, type DISM, which is the Windows Repair Engine. Online targets the currently running Windows installation. Cleanup image prepares the system image for repair. Restore health automatically downloads and repairs the corrupted files. This command requires internet access to work effectively. It basically scans system files and checks against Microsoft's official versions. And if needed, it will download the repair by using Windows Update to fetch clean copies of corrupted files. Without internet access, this command will not be successful. When done, a successful output will be indicated. After DISM completes, run System File Checker. Type SFC Scan Now, which scans all protected system files and repairs them immediately. This command scans critical system files and compares every file against digital signatures and known good versions. When done, it will automatically repair corrupted files. A successful output will indicate that Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them, which is a good result. Now you can verify the fix and confirm the Utility Manager has been properly restored by pressing Windows +L and test the accessibility button. The button should now launch accessibility tools, not command prompt. Always verify after repairs. If this video helped, kindly like and subscribe.